welcome back to PADI with the Trobe Salute Greeting. In case you just joined us, your guy, Ogbolo, and your girl, Mayowa, two of us there on top the show, on top PADI, this beautiful Tuesday. And with the accent, I say, how everybody, we hope so on our day very all right. Yeah. Back to you, darling.
Yeah, okay, so now if you follow us on top Twitter and at Wazobia PADI on our region, and just follow us. Make some comments about everything we will do on top of the show. Now, not today be because we don't get too much time to waste. We're here to make sure we're giving up entertainment and of course a very jollificament and we should die.
Thank you so much, darling. Yeah. So we could just continue on top of the show and I could still continue with yarn to yarn. Yeah. With the next gist when I get full now, I could just give you now. Yeah. All right. So concerning this particular this one, I don't feel program at all. This one.
We cannot funkify this thing.
This particular gist.
Area gist. area gist.
See, people no get sense.
Chuck it something.
People no get sense. Now, this particular sister, English, oh, you people, they call them none.
None. Sister.
Sister. Particular sister. Sister. Thank you, Sister Ludovita.
Ludovita. Sound like all those two they drink.
I did tell you something. Be like drink. Sister Ludovita, 30 years old.
1 cup of Ludovita.
That means she there for inside one classroom. The name of the place, if I know people pronounce them, Kusuk. Wait. K-Y-S-U-C-K-E. Kusuk. K-Y-S-U-C-K-E. Kisuk. 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 Something like that.
Jeez.
Not being this antique Kisuk. Her name na Ludovita. But in the town of Kisuk, now she can't gather children. They teach them for inside classroom.
Jeez.
As per they teach them about Easter, they teach them about Jesus Christ. Not being she can't mention one boy, say, come to the front, small boy.
Hey.
Now the boy come, now she carry pin. Chook her for your hand, say, now so Jesus Christ take suffer. So make him feel him. Because when make him feel the pain too, because if he behave badly, now so himself go suffer. She mental. Wait now, not being the pikin can't go house. The mama can't see the wound, can't say, what's happen? When the pikin go and explain. When she come back, she say no. Say no. Say she no force anybody. Say she tell the children, make them volunteer to experience mild pain. They can't they choke themselves. Say now he do it by himself.
Oh. Maybe onto the Easter something.
Ogbolo.
She wait now. Not they jump into the whole talk like that. And they look this thing from different corner. Maybe okay. For the whole time, they say for class. Maybe that the boy they shout, hi, I'm young Jesus. Young Jesus. I'm young Jesus. For along the line, the woman can say, hey, you are young Jesus. And come and prove your whole thing. Then shooking can start. Because they shook themselves and everything.
Ogbolo. As she be say she be teacher. If you see pikin with sharp object, what you supposed to do?
Not to slap in ear.
Now she can't talk, say she volunteer them, make them they chook themselves. Whether she's the chukist or they are the chuka, or the children are the chuki. The fact that there was a chuking, you should be responsible for it.
Exactly.
As a mature, as a grown-up 30 years old Ludovita class. Ludovita.
From Kisuk.
Kisuk.
That no, they're supposed to arrest you. You are not supposed to be a teacher at all. This kind of no, they torchlight students.
If na me be the mother of that child, when I give them a Yoruba style, they go no say ratchet die.
Oh, if na me be the papa,
my child, you want to break the spinal vein.
The spinal vein?
No verse.
Something
like that.
The spinal vein not there for you. Now the spinal cord not there for them.
Forget the cartilage.
The cartilage? If I say you want to break the kidney, what they worry you? They get the brain is in the heart. But that dog is supposed to arrest them. She's a bad woman.
Come on.
Very bad woman. What's all this nonsense? But make every parent they careful too. Some of our teachers for school,
I'm telling you.
Even for this country.
Some
flogging when they flog students.
Hey, babe.
If they pass this one, non-shook person. That time for my school, they say that 2K when a teacher get. 3, one get chukuchuku, one fat, they call it timber. One call lean, they call it caliber. Choose one.
Chukuchuku timber or caliber?
Chukuchuku timber or caliber, you go choose one. Either of the 3, you don't die. That fat one, if they flog you, you don't go see the mark for body. Now internal pain. That lean one, pium, all your body go get mark.
Internal and external.
Oh, that chukuchuku. That one you just see cook for body. So you must choose one.
I beg.
Make our teachers they calm down. Not to teach, not be to kill students.
Yeah.
Please. The verse like this now.
It's okay, talk your story. If you hear this Ogbolo next.
No, my own gist, na colo gist. I don't know what they worry some husband and wife. But for me, these two, they don't hide. Tito and Amanda Watts. They can't they sell tickets to heaven. They say the ticket, they said $99 per ticket, golden ticket. And the current I'm on top, now your ticket to heaven. See the husband and the wife, they say a ticket to heaven. Now police can't catch, they say, come here. What are you selling ticket? Now you gonna say this to you know what they control them. Let's not even talk about the whole thing. They say that ticket to heaven. When you reach the gate of heaven, submit the ticket and you can enter inside. $99. Now you go pay for them. And they say the ticket admits one.
Wow.
One. So for you and your wife, for you and your baby one titi, for you and your family, ticket admits one person. Police can't say come. They don't catch them because they talk say that they sell ticket to heaven. People wake up by self, una no get sense. All of una know your get brain.
All of una hide together.
But when they come, they pay the policeman, we can make the arrest two of them. Come be say they spray one packo gold. Come they sell them to people. So now illegal thing to convince people say they said the real thing. But the guy claims say no, this thing is not. It's real gold.
Now Jesus give us.
He said now Jesus now give them. Say Jesus now give them the gold, make them sell to people. And when you don't get out the money, he comes along the line, say now for back of one KFC, now he block Jesus. Now they block for back of KFC, they can't talk, just want to give out the gold, so make go sell. Now one alien, when he can't jam, he say he can't jam one alien. The alien can't tell us, say, if he sell correct money, the alien go carry them, go out of space, make them go, experience the whole thing. So when police they follow, they drag. He say, lie, if they arrest them, will be innocent man. May they arrest Jesus too. They must arrest Jesus. He too is a complicated, he's an accomplice for the whole thing. He said, go where make insert Jesus up.
See, make I tell you something. And they talk this thing. For I love Nigeria. That you know why I love Nigeria? Our Ogbanje with the Siam. The ones where they follow these people, they know they Siam. The evil spirit, the Ogbanje where they follow these people, they are on a computer. If they computerize their brain.
I should say the policeman could all laugh. You know they say you won't go enjoy for heaven. So when they reach heaven, they will smoke cocaine. So you go notice they worry these two couples, Tito and Amanda. The one they pay me say, "Be Amanda and a black woman." They said they do it for heads. But they say,
you know, so when that don't send you message, you know they two do all right again. Only you go just the see things.
All right, but you know, say Mayowa, this way you talk this thing just now. Be like we don't they do this thing before. Experience now you get happy.
Ogbolo, you know, so I take care of you at some point in your life.
No, but actually now based on the fact say you first start the OT.
Ogbolo, I see how you take notes and I hide them.
No, you take care of me based on your experience for this life.
From the very beginning, you talk say these people don't hide. If not, be saying
now
you
two of us talk. We chorus this
my God!
You
don't wear. They embarrass person for national TV.
They do it.
I go wound you. I go so wound you. We want change.
I go kill you.
Laugh the laugh.
Laugh the laugh. Amanda Tito.
You want to kill me?
Hey! Oh, for it, yeah. So wọlé àbí kò wọlé. Ìfọ́tí yẹn wọlé. Ó wọlé pa. Yenta.
Oh, slap all the ear, defa.
As in the guy reset 360.
Now me you won't give heart attack. You will kill yourself before you kill me. April Fool.
Don't try to prank African parents.
Male stupidity.
Don't try it. Please, we have a pictures, please. If we have a picture, let us have it right about now. Thank you very much. Pictures, please.
So that don't laugh belevu.
From this gist.
This gist. But enough now we get gist to add to the whole thing. You get comments, just go on top Twitter. Put them for them. Boy. Okay?
Wow.
See, now which kind of room
is
it?
It's a Ghana must go bedroom.
Ghana must go.
It's a Ghana must go bedroom.
the bed, the wallpaper, the carpets, even the book where they read, na Ghana must go. The pillow, na Ghana must go. The cloth, na Ghana must go.
Now only I'm not be Ghana must go.
Only skin, na the Ghana must go.
If you even paint the Ghana must go, put her for under in leg. Who knows?
This guy, maybe na Ghanaian he go be.
Oh, but no. You get a person go suffer rich. You think say this kind of thing is not the normal thing.
Na Koje be that, na Koje.
This kind of things. You know, say these days they tell people employ event planner, employ caterer. When you know employ caterer, now waiting they happen with this.
But this
only you go they serve your drinks.
Waiting go they make husband and wife now turn to one mother inside their own.
The people where we are sure be, I ain't go collect me.
Oh man, yaba. Hey!
Swag it up now.
Mayowa at 70.
And they tell you this thing, I get see my swag. I'm still swagging.
See mama with mohawk.
See me.
She can't do peace.
And they tell you this thing,
say,
I pledge peace.
You must not forget to see I still get swagger for body.
She can't just small snuff.
Now, cause you can't do. Otaba.
Your faith.
Faith.
See, and they tell you all these girls, when do they suffer with your boyfriend?
Yes.
If you suffer with your boyfriend like this, this kind of thing, this kind of prayer, and I ain't got the answer.
Faith is the substance of things hoped for,
the evidence of things that are not seen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Let me tell you something now. You can be like this, and tomorrow they go buy their own Okada.
Yeah.
It can be Okada, it can be a power bike too.
Yes.
Any which way you can start somewhere.
Yes.
You understand? So, you know, have your faith in your man and stay with him from the beginning to the ending.
Well,
you understand?
But right now, na power tire.
Na power tire. Yeah, but make them start from somewhere and I was struck to you. Start from somewhere. Okay?
Oh my God. Don't forget to follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. My guy, my G, don't tell you now.
No make up, no rush. I'm tell them small. They must follow us.
Okay.
They must follow us. I tell them.
If you want them, say.
Now one now.
Look,
Today.
Ogbolo.
One day.
See, you go one day. You don't know Jega.
Okay, my mom no one.
You sabi Jega.
Nah.
You know as soon they say one people.
Jegsy.
You know Jega.
Nah,
in a calm note. You just
you
say, look, listen. You know say PADI na show una like, right?
Yes.
And una want me the show grow.
You understand?
And you want me us make we grow.
Yes.
I no go like threaten una because I no be bad person.
Yes.
But I go put it to you. Say, if you don't follow us for Twitter, the show go still continue. Nothing will happen. Last, then go just carry you come up for inside this court case.
Finish.
But if you don't follow us for Twitter.
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 Enter song now.
Yeah.
At Wazobia.
Wazobia.
PADI.
PADI.
Follow.
Oh, I'm gonna ask follow us on Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Please follow us on Twitter. Make comment on the whole team. We cannot threaten you. We love you, and we are from our hearts. We are saying, please follow us on Twitter. Give us a better comment. And all of now they comment before now. We love all of now pieces.ly. So for myself and Mayowa, we go see you now. Okay, I never do this one for a very long time. We love all of you. So have better day.